In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to do this.
Their chest artificial. Yeah, I'm feeling like the shit-o. I've been making music since I was a little kiddo. Never gonna stop, no I'm never.
Subscribe and hit the bell to get notified for more amazing tutorials that are yet to come. Okay, so the idea behind a flicker effect is very simple. You just need a song with a bumping effect in it. That's all. Something like this. Okay, once in Filmora 9, now drag any clip into the timeline and then drag the music below it. Now, listen carefully and go to the portion where you think that a bump sound is there. Something like this. Now, at the start of the bump sound, put a cut into the video. Do this with all the bumps that you will encounter in the song. Now you will find a series of cuts in the video and other portion. You can either put the cuts into the video or in the song itself. Now go to the gradient section and then drag a black color gradient above the first cut. Now trim down the black gradient to either 2 or 1 frame or a second. Okay, so do remember that the length of the flicker depends on the music type and the intensity of the bumping in it. Now put these small black gradients at the start of every cut and adjust accordingly. And now voila, it's done. Play back and review the flicker for any further adjustment if needed or not. And now our effect is done. You can use this technique to create really fast flickers like this. Or you can create something of those RGB type music effect like this. It actually all depends on your choice. So guys, what are your thoughts on this video? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you think that this video is worthwhile, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can able to bring amazing tutorials like this for you. Till then, see you later.